Hi, I'm Jim Scott.
And I'm Denise Scott with
TeamScottHomes.com. We wanted to take a quick minute and celebrate some of our highlights for 2018 as we come to the end of the year.
And thank you!
85% of our business was from repeat and referral clients.
Your referrals.
We greatly appreciate your support.
We welcome all of you to our Team Scott Homes family.
Also, earlier this year, we launched our YouTube channel. We created 7 informational videos that were just great homeowner tips. Our Facebook business page has been a community of great support, a lot of great information. And then our highlights has been giving back to the community.
Oh, we have loved being able to serve the John L. Scott with our Ronald McDonald Homes. But right now, Jim's got to help with the Lake Stevens Food Bank, driving and picking up donations so that food bank is strong.
On Mondays, if you see me out there, give me a quick wave, honk honk.
But we're over the moon as first-time grandparents! Woohoo! We have had great cherished moments camping and traveling with our dear friends and checking things off our bucket list.
It's been a great year. But we also want to share some of our upcoming 2019. We're super excited to let you know that we're going to be offering a monthly first-time homebuyer class. Our first one is going to be in Linwood, January 24th at 5 p.m. We're also going to be feeding our YouTube channel with some more great informational videos about the real estate market, some homeowner tips, some seller tips. So check that out, Team Scott Homes on YouTube channel. And then later in the year, we're working on a secret project and we hope to be making a major announcement.
Again, thank you for your love, trust, and friendships.
Amen.
And referrals, but we pray that your 2019 be abundantly best for you and your family. Happy New Year!
God bless and thanks for watching.
Thank you!
TeamScottHomes.com. Your home, our passion.